Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Treehouse transcends the conventional concept of a home, emerging as a captivating sanctuary. This whimsical residence masterfully blends nature with architecture, offering a tranquil and sophisticated retreat. Located at 7 South Oakridge, Kingston 8, and spanning 3 thoughtfully designed stories. This house covers 2,500 square feet. Treehouse includes 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Its architectural highlight is the great room, where living and dining areas merge into a seamless, harmonious space. Floor to ceiling wooden louvres and expansive glass panes dissolve the boundaries between indoor comfort and the natural world, fostering relaxation and serenity. Set on 0.71 acres of terraced hillside, the home effortlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. The deck is the heart of the property, providing an ideal setting for weekend barbecues and lively parties beneath the stars. Treehouse exemplifies exceptional design with remarkable airflow and diffused light filtering through the trees, creating a dreamlike atmosphere that elevates everyday living into a truly extraordinary experience. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 125 million or US $812.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.